welcome back to my channel. So I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see an unboxing of everything that I picked up at the KAWS exhibition, and you guys said yes. So today I'm going to show you everything, and not gonna lie, I spent quite a bit of money and my bank account is a little bit sad again, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm just super happy that we finally have a KAWS exhibition here in Melbourne, and the name of the exhibition is Companionship in the Age of Loneliness, and it's going to be on till the 20th of April, which is really good. So it's going to be here for a while. So if you guys are in Melbourne, I highly recommend checking out the exhibition. Or if you're in Australia and you just want to make a short trip to Melbourne, you should probably do that if you're a KAWS fan, because I feel like it's definitely worth it. So I was lucky enough to be invited to the opening night, which was on Thursday, and it was really good. Like, it was still quite busy, and I actually managed to see Brian there. And I need to show you, I have a little story to tell you guys, because I'm such a dork. I walked around the exhibition with this in my bag because I was hoping that I would see him and he would sign this for me. So this is the KAWS Companion resting place. I actually got this quite a few years ago, and even though I did see Brian and his family, and his kids are so cute, by the way. As you guys can see, I was not successful in getting this signed, and I'm kind of still wondering if he's still in town, because if he is, I'm gonna just like sit outside NGV and like hopefully see Brian around, but I doubt he's gonna be around. So as I was saying before, I was invited to the opening night, which was on Thursday night, and that night the limitation was 1 colorway per person. So with the toys, there's 3 different colorways, and I got all of them to show you guys. And as you guys can see, the box is very big, so you can imagine the struggle trying to carry 3 of this. Like, it was a struggle, okay? And luckily I had some friends, like the 4 of us went together and all 4 of us bought 3 each, so we had to help each other out. And I'm so glad that I picked up all 3, because I went again on Friday, which is the first day that the exhibition was open to the public, and I actually bought the tickets like months ago because I was that excited. And when I knew that you could already buy tickets to the show, I bought it straight away. And because I already had the ticket, I was like, you know what, I might as well just go. And I thought that I would pick up maybe a few more things, and I went there at 8 AM on Friday, and the gallery opens at 10 AM, and the line was so long. I don't think I've ever seen a line at the NGV like ever for any other exhibition. But yeah, the line was crazy. And the sad thing is, like, when the gallery opened, the exhibition itself was empty, but everyone was just lining up to go to the gift store to buy these toys. Now, I think everyone had the same thing in mind. Like, the exhibition is going to be here till April, but the toys are not going to be here till April. Does that make sense? Because I feel like it was going to sell out. And I know there was a lot of people buying to resell, which kind of sucks for people who actually want to buy them for themselves. And then I think midday that day, they kind of changed the limitation, so you could only buy 1 per person, so you can't buy 1 of each colorway. You could only pick 1 color. So I'm glad I picked up all 3 the night before. But anyway, I'm rambling a lot. I will get to the unboxing finally. Okay, let's just stop. Let's just start unboxing this thing. So over here, you can see I haven't opened anything at all. They give it to you in this like really cute NGV paper bag. So I bought this, and they've just been sitting at home because I really wanted to open it together with you guys. I'm sure you all have seen images of what these look like online, and they actually dropped them online on the NGV website, but it sold out so quickly, and I reckon it's because there was a lot of bots, because it sold out in like 1 or 2 minutes. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. Look at it. It is very big. And in case you guys are wondering what the retail price of this is, it is more than I anticipated. So the retail price for this is 950 Australian dollars each. So yeah, so that's why, like, initially I was like pretty confident I was going to buy all 3, and then when I found out it was 950, I was just like, that's a lot of money. Should I be doing that? Is that the right thing to do? It wasn't, but I ended up with 3 anyway. So yeah, let me just get this out of the box. This is what the box actually looks like, and as you guys can see, it is huge. I mean, I should have expected the retail price to be a little bit more expensive because of the size of the toy. Like, in comparison to all the previous one, I think this one is a little bit bigger. Look at it, it's so cute. This is the first time I'm actually holding my own one in hand. As I said, this was the brown colorway and it is a companion holding the BFF. So you can see I have a blue BFF over here and they're pretty much the same size. Like, look at it. I think the retail is probably like $500 or $600 or $400 to $500 anyway. So I guess you're kind of buying two things in one, and that's probably why the retail is $950. So this is one of them. Let's open the other colorway. Oh yeah, also I did mention the name of the figurine is called Gone. This is so hard. Okay, hold on. We're about to open the second colorway, and this one is the gray one. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't want to be giving out the wrong information, but if I'm not mistaken, I think they are already sold out at the NGV. I think they will be dropping on the KAWS One website, but I'm not too sure when that's going to be dropping. So yeah, you guys should probably check it out if you're interested in picking up one of these. But as far as I know, I think the NGV has sold out. But this is probably the one I wanted the most. This is the pink colorway. Look at him, he's so cute. So again, you can see I have the pink BFF behind there, and this is the companion holding the pink BFF. Like, look at this, okay? Like, I can't, it's just so cute. I'll give you guys a closer look. It's just so cute. I can't, I love it so much. The only thing is though, I don't really have anywhere to put them because I just feel like there's a lot of stuff in my house and they deserve like a shelf, and I should put all three of them on one shelf and that would look so cute. But yeah, this is the gray colorway, and then we have one more which is the black, and I'll open it quickly so I can show you guys. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I don't think it has dropped on the KAWS One website just yet. I'll try and find it, but I don't know whether once I post this video it would have already sold out. I don't know, I'll figure it out, but I'm pretty sure the NGV has sold out from what I heard, because on Saturday, I think my friend tried going, and then in the morning they told them it sold out. I guess you could just call the NGV and ask them if they still have it available if you're interested. But as far as I know, there are no longer any lines at the gift store, and I think that is a sign that all the toys have sold out. But anyway, moving on. Before I show you the last colorway, I also picked up this poster. It's just the KAWS NGV poster, and it was $19.95, and I think it's really cute. It also came in a blue one. I thought it would be just nice to have, and I'm gonna get it framed and just leave it somewhere because I don't know, I just think it's cute. But again, because it is KAWS, I had to get it. Finally opened the last one. So I feel like I'm all over the place with this video. So this is the last colorway. The black one, as you guys can see, comes in a different box. It's black and the print is gold. It's so pretty. I also feel like I'm repeating myself a lot, but I just feel like there's no other way for me to describe it besides it being super cute, and I just love it so much. So we have this guy on the inside, and this here is the black colorway, and out of the three, I think the black was probably the one I wanted the least. But I feel like once you have two, you need to have the third one, if that makes any sense. And you guys can see it has the pink detail on the nose. I think that's so cute. And also they have a huge version of this at the NGV at the entrance when you go into the gallery. So I think it's really nice to have the all black one as well, and it really complements the other two that we have. I am aware it is a lot of money to spend on, like, you know, a vinyl figure, but I guess if you're a huge fan like myself, that you'd probably be willing to spend that money. I know a lot of people were lining up to resell these guys, which kind of sucks for people who actually want to buy one, because yeah, these people were just buying like as many as they could. I mean, it was one per colorway initially, and I just saw people walking out with 3 bags each, and I highly doubt that these people were actually interested in KAWS, which was kind of unfortunate. But yeah, just like all his other stuff, there is some sort of resale value. But because this is an open edition, I'm not too sure how limited it actually is. And also they will be dropping them on the KAWS One website, but it's so hard to cop on the KAWS One website. I mean, I've tried and I've always failed. I'm so glad that I was able to pick this up in store, even though I had to line up for such a long time. I started lining up at 8 AM and I got into the gift store at 1 p.m. So that was probably like 5 hours just standing, doing nothing. And that was on the first day of the exhibition because I wanted to buy a few other things. So anyway, that is the toys, which is, I guess, the main thing that most people were excited about, and that was probably the main thing I was excited about in terms of getting the merch from the store. But now that we have that out of the way, I can show you the rest of the stuff that I picked up. I feel like my couch feels so empty now that I don't have all these boxes next to me and have so much room to move. But the other stuff that they sold at the NGV store was the Uniqlo and KAWS t-shirt. So this one dropped a few months ago, but we didn't actually get it in Australia and we only just got it. So of course I had to buy them. Now I have repeats of some of them because I'm gonna give them away to my friends. But pretty much you guys have probably already seen this, but they do have the dissected companion here. There is the clean slate one. I have that in a different size. And then also the companion holding the little pink BFF. I think these are so cute. There are a few other styles that I didn't buy, and also the one I'm wearing at the moment. I think this is probably my favorite. It is the pink BFF and he's hugging a little baby companion, and I don't know. I just love KAWS so much. So like obviously when I was at the gift store, I wasn't even looking at the prices of things. I was just like, give it to me. And the one thing that I regret not picking up was the plates. So they had these plates, which was a set of 4, and I think they were 550 Australian dollars. They were really cute and it was somewhat limited, but at that time, because I already knew I was buying the 3 toys and the fact that they were $950 each, I was just like, it's a lot of money to spend. And I was just like, okay, realistically, I don't really need these plates. I'm not gonna use them. I'm not gonna display them. But then now that they're sold out, I kind of regret it, but it's okay. It's okay. We have a few other things to talk about. So here are the smaller things that I picked up. So they give it to you in this cute little NGV paper bag, and I picked up this month's magazine because it has Brian Donnelly on the front cover, and there's also a little article inside, which is over here. So if you guys don't know too much about Brian, you should probably pick up this magazine and have a read about it. It's really good. And also there is a video on YouTube. I think it's called Blueprint or something. I think Complex did a video about Brian. I'm not too sure, but I'll link that down below as well if you guys are interested. But it is a really, really great video. I picked up some tote bags as well that I want to show you guys. I also have my receipt over here so I can check how much everything was. So I kind of don't want to look at it because, you know, it was expensive. But yeah, so I got 2 of the I got 2 of the Uniqlo KAWS tote bags. I think they're $20 each, so $19.90, same like the t-shirt. And I think they're very versatile and I would definitely use this. I think they're so cute. And then the NGV made their own tote bag. So it's this one over here. It came out in a few different colorways. I'm not sure if they're sold out, but I'm pretty sure they will restock these. And I just checked the receipt and these were not that cheap, $34.95, so like $35. Wow, NGV is making bank, and so is Brian Donnelly. But I picked up the yellow and the pink, and it has the chum on the tote bag, and the sizing is a little bit bigger than the Uniqlo one, which is nice. And then I have a few other smaller things in here. I think with the NGV merch over here, I don't think it's going to sell out that quickly, so they'll definitely still be available throughout the exhibition, like throughout the period of the exhibition, because you can't have a merch store that's empty, I'm guessing. So I might go back and pick up a few more of these, but I've already been twice, but I need to go back because I just love it so much. I'm gonna like spend all my money in the gift store, honestly. So this is a pamphlet you can get at the moment, the NGV. It just shows you what's on in October, but of course we have the BFF in the front. They also sell these notebooks, which is quite cute. I actually got this free in the goodie bag that they gave out on Thursday. I thought this was cute, but I wasn't gonna buy it because I don't really use notebooks and I had no use for it, so I'm glad that I got one for free. Cannot complain. So these are some magnets that they have. So you have the BFF as well as the companions, and then there's also one other one that I didn't get. So this is the companion flayed, and then they just have like the companion that's not dissected. Oh, did I just give you guys a finger? I'm sorry. They also have the companion that's not dissected, which is really cute, but I didn't pick that up for some reason. And then in terms of the postcard, we have this one over here. It comes in a set of 4. Oh, by the way, the magnets are $19.95, and then the postcards, the set of 4 postcards is $9.95, and I have 2 of them. So this is actually the same, but I've already opened this one up so I can show you guys. But yeah, I thought this would be really cute to buy and frame. You know, I can't actually afford the actual art that Brian sells, so I might as well just buy a print version and frame them, and I think that's good enough for now. But it comes in a set of 4 like that, so you get like the BFF, the Gone one, the Clean Slate, as well as, what's the name for this one, like the one that they're hugging each other. This is called Together, and then this is probably one of my favorite ones. So this is the Kate Moss set. It is very, very cute. This is probably one of his older work from 2001, and I just love it so much, so I picked up this one as well. And again, I have a repeat which I will be giving away, and then this is probably my favorite one. So I don't know whether you guys can see on camera, but it is sort of like a holographic kind of thing. I think the set of 4 was $21.95 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna open this up as well to show you guys, but I love it so much. And yeah, like right now I feel like I want to go to the NGV and buy more. So you can see this one's super, super cool. It comes in the red as well, and then also we have the, I think this is the brown one, and then that is the gray one. But look, it's so cool. I mean, it's a very simple concept, but I just love it so much. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but all this stuff and all these KAWS things make me so happy, and I'm just so happy that we have an exhibition here, and I'm definitely going to go back. Like, I need to join the NGV membership, because I think if you join the membership you get a discount when you buy the tickets, and I think it's worth it just for this exhibition, because I'm definitely gonna go a few more times before it ends. So yeah guys, that's everything that I picked up at the KAWS exhibition, and I know it was a lot of money. Like, I don't actually know the total at the moment, because the rest of the smaller things I picked up the next day, so I'm afraid to know what's the total money that I've spent at the KAWS exhibition. But if you saw the title, then you probably already know how much I spent, and I guess it's a lot of money, but I don't regret it. Like, I'm really so happy that we have this exhibition here, and I'm definitely going to go a few more times before it ends. But yeah, as I mentioned before, I will be doing a giveaway for you guys, because I just feel like some of you guys are definitely just as big as a fan as I am, and you know, it would be really nice to be able to get some of these for yourself, because you're not in Melbourne to get them personally. So yeah, if you'd like to enter the giveaway, make sure you give this video a like, and please subscribe to my channel, and leave in the comments below which is your favorite KAWS character, so whether it's a companion or BFF, some of his older stuff. Let me know in the comments below, or what you like about KAWS the most. I would really love to know. Make sure you leave your Instagram handle or your email address so I can contact you if you do win the giveaway. I'm going to be picking 3 lucky winners, and I'm going to give you guys like a little mini package of a few things, because I don't know, I feel like it would really make my day if I was able to get this, and I'm a huge KAWS fan, so I really want to, you know, gift that to you guys as well. I hope you guys enter the giveaway. I feel like I've been talking a lot this video, and I don't usually talk that much. But yeah, I'm sorry if it was a little bit rambly as usual, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye!